Hello, today I'll show you how to fix it looks like Windows didn't load correctly, error in Windows 11. This is a two-part process, troubleshooting within Windows and rebuilding the master boot. Record MBR if you can't boot into Windows. Part 1, troubleshooting in Windows. Step 1, run DISM and SFC scans. Open command prompt as admin. Search for CMD, right-click Run as administrator. Run these command. Wait for completion. Continue with the next command. Wait for completion. Restart your PC. Step 2, System Restore. Search for Create a Restore Point. Select Open. Click System Restore, select the latest restore point. Follow prompts to complete the process. Click System Restore, select the most recent restore point. Follow the instructions to finish. Part 2, Rebuild MBR if Windows 1 set. Step 1, access advanced repair options. Hold Shift plus click Restart. Go to Troubleshoots, then select Advanced Options and click on Command Prompt. Step 2, rebuild MBR via commands. Run these commands in order. You can skip the bootrec/fix boot command if you encounter the access denied error, as UEFI-SHI GPT systems do not require this command. If errors persist, try Startup Repair in Advanced Options.